Houston, we have a problem.
Hello, Mission Control. Houston, we have a problem. And it's so frustrating. So, as you guys know now, we are doing this Space Marine balloon launch.
You're the one who wanted a crazy plan.
Which is a really fun project to be working on. But we had put in an application for next week to do our balloon launch. The only problem is that my brother has been running flight simulations all week. You run your flight simulation 1 week in advance, so 7 days. Every day this week my brother's run flight simulations. Today is Thursday, the 8th of February. He ran a simulation first thing this morning, and every single simulation for next week with the weather conditions for next week, the balloon is set to pop and land in the sea somewhere between the southeast coast of England and France. And I can show you, you can see on screen hopefully, all of the flight path simulations that we've been doing. So we've done several this week. Now that is a real kick in the bollocks, because next week I'm off work, my brother's off work, Benji from Benji's Hobbies, he's got a couple of days off, and he's arranged with his wife that he can come down for a couple of days for the launch. It's not what I wanted. No, I'm not despairing. This project idea is happening one way or another. So, what's the plan? Some good news is that our equipment is starting to arrive and we're pretty much ready for the launch now. This is the camera that I'll be using for pointing up, so that whenever the balloon reaches maximum altitude, when we get the pop of the balloon, this camera will be the one that captures the balloon pop. For the main shot out the front of the camera where the Space Marine will be sitting in front of the camera, that we've ordered a GoPro 12, a really high quality camera to go up with the balloon. So you can see we don't want to lose all of that expensive equipment. All is not lost. The idea is going ahead. We have tested out this camera and also the trackers, the GPS trackers for the flight. Do you know what? I'm going to show you that footage right now. Okay, so we're going to try and hit two birds with one stone. We're going to test the camera that I've got for the launch and also the tracker. So first of all, what is this tracker and what does it do?
So this is a Trackstar TK Star tracker. It has a SIM card in it, so it can connect to the mobile network. It also has GPS in it, so when it connects to both, it can send its GPS position over the mobile network. Send it text, and it texts back its position.
So whenever the text comes back to your phone, you can actually see on the camera the exact position of wherever the tracker is.
Yeah, you get the GPS coordinates, you just put that into Google Maps and it'll give you an exact position where you are.
We're going to attach the tracker to me and I'm going to run down the street and we're going to see if it all works, because you need to test stuff before you send it into space, right?
Yep, there's the text.
Oh, you got the text?
Yeah. It takes a while after you send it,
so that means it's actually connected.
there's
Okay, so the tracker is working when you're sitting right beside it. Let's test and see if the tracker works when I run a mile down the road. When I get to where I want to be, and you can tell me where I am.
Okay.
And I will.
Is that upside down? Is that, no, it's not recording.
I just push this button like this. I love technology. The robots are taking over. Right, I'm going. See you in a minute. You tell me where I am. I've got my tracker. I'm off on a race here. I'm going to go somewhere. I haven't told my brother where I'm going. And we'll see. See if he can find me. Okay, hopefully I don't get mugged. I'm walking along the canal here. I'm about 10 minutes walk away from my brother's house. I've got my tracker. Stick it in my pocket. And I'm going to just quickly give him a call and see if he knows where I am. Okay, have you got me? Alright, ping it and see if you can tell me where I'm at.
Yeah, I've got your position. The app says you're in the canal behind Lawrence.
Cool. Yeah, so it's working. That's exactly where I'm at. Alright, see ya.
Okay, let's head back.
So there you go. This camera's working. The GPS is working. So yeah, all systems go on this camera, and the GPS is all systems go. Yeah, so I'm just going to keep you updated as more things arrive ready for the launch date. I will also keep you updated. Basically, if by next Tuesday, as in the 13th, February the 13th, if by next Tuesday we're not getting any decent flight path simulations for next week's launch will be cancelled.
First mission jitters, I guess.
Do you want to abort?
Yeah, so we'll just cancel next week, and we will put in an application straight away with the Civil Aviation Authority, and we will have to wait for 1 month. And again, we're going to err on the side of positivity and say that gives us the ability to do more planning and more preparation and make this a better video and a better project. It gives me time to go and paint a Space Marine and stuff like that. So I've actually just had an idea. Benjamin Bowles from Benji's Hobbies, I will be giving you a phone call this afternoon. I've got a little idea. Alright, guys, that is the update. Houston, we have a problem. Yeah. Okay. Hope you're all well, guys, and yeah, you will get another update about this project very, very soon. One other little update is I'm waiting on a package from Terraintronics. More of the Whiston Castle boards are coming my way, and I will be doing an expansion on the D&D terrain that I put on my channel last week. So I'll keep you guys posted about that. Alright, until the next update, hope you're all well, and thank you as always for the support. And yeah, check the links below, by the way, guys, for Army Painter. And if you've got any paint purchases coming up, consider the Army Painter. Alright, chat to y'all soon. Bye.